In 1994, there was a little company just getting started in Norway. And this month is Norwex's 25th birthday. And so I wanted to be sure to tell you about a special offer that they are running until June 24th at noon Central. So whether you are someone who loves to clean, or maybe you're someone who just loves the Norwex products, maybe you're like me and you don't so much love to clean, but you like a clean house and you know how much easier Norwex has made your life. Or perhaps you're really serious about wellness and you're passionate about educating other people on how to create a safer, healthier home. Or maybe you're like I was when I first found out about these cloths. I was an at-home mom who was looking for a way to make some extra income, but I needed to find something that I was passionate about. I needed to find a product that I really resonated with. And I needed something that was flexible, that I could work around my family's schedule, and something that could provide me with excellent income. Now, if you are any of these things, you need to listen up to what I'm about to say. Till June 24th at noon Central, you can become a Norwex consultant for free with the Join for Free starter kit option, all right? You literally pay the $10 shipping. They are going to ship you the two Norwex cloths, the Enviro cloth and the window cloth, and you then have full consultant privileges. Now, the thing about this starter kit is there's no sales requirement to keep it for free. It's just yours for free when you sign up and become a consultant before noon on June 24th. Now, when you sign up, I want you to be sure you know about your options. You'll also see at sign up you can do the party standard starter kit. And that comes with a few of my favorites. So it comes with the mop. If you have any smooth flooring, let me tell you, this is my favorite mop. Comes with two of the Enviro cloth, one window cloth, a dusting mitt, bathroom scrub mitt, and then you've got your veggie scrub cloth, your 3-pack of body cloths, and then it comes with a little sample of the cleaning paste and of the laundry detergent. So this kit, they also ship to you for just $10 in shipping, and they give you 90 days to have at least $2,000 in retail sales to earn this kit completely free. Now, should you not meet your $2,000 in 90 days, which is about 4 to 5 average Norwex parties, should you not meet it, then in 90 days, Norwex will charge you $200 for the starter kit. So the bottom line is this. Can you go wrong to give Norwex a try? Choose the kit that best fits your needs, whether that be the risk-free 2-cloth kit or if you're ready to jump in with the full standard kit. I am happy to answer any questions. Give me a call, shoot me a text. In the comments below, I will put a link with some of the most common questions that people ask me when they are considering becoming a Norwex consultant.